Hello, here we are for the TakeUp project, and this is 18 video for the 18th product. Well, let's see what product we had here. So this is the 18 PDF guide, and we have here a business cards holder, and this is a custom design for a business card holder. This is a design for it, and how you can see it's customized, and we will perform this design for this business card holder. Okay, let's go. How you can see, we have here two components, so we'll do two parts, and after that we make an assembly for this. We will go in SolidWorks and start with a sketch, and the sketch is a circle with diameter of 90 millimeters. Okay, so I take new, take part, and say okay in order to upload this environment. Switch to sketch menu, take the sketch command and choose a plane, and here just draw a circle with diameter of 90 millimeters. 90. So this is my circle. Exit from sketch and see what to do with this circle. So we extrude this circle with 9 millimeters, and we make a thin feature with 3 millimeters outside. So just make this with 9 millimeters. So instead of 10 is 9, and thin feature instead of 10, 3, and validate, and we'll obtain this ring. Okay, good. With this ring, we'll go and create another sketch and another circle with diameter 7, and apply same parameters for extrude. So create on same plane a sketch. Here we are, and create second circle with diameter 70 millimeters. Exit from sketch, rotate, go to features menu, take extrude command, and here will be 9 millimeters thin feature with 3 millimeters, and validate the result. So here we had two concentric rings for now. Let's see what is the third sketch. So the third one is just connect these two circles and extrude with 2 millimeters inside. Let me understand. Okay. So just 2 millimeters. So create a sketch, and I will create this surface and say convert, and I want to convert exterior one, interior one, and exit from sketch, go to feature, take extrude and change the direction and say 2 millimeters. That's it. Yes. So now we have a groove here. On this groove, we create the plane at 38.5 millimeters from the middle plane, and on this plane we create a sketch. But why we create the plane? Let me understand. I don't understand for why I need that plane. Oh, I understand, because we apply a sweep there. So this is the reason. So first of all, I will create this plane. So take plane from references and say I want a plane parallel to this at 38.5 millimeters. On this plane, I create a sketch, look perpendicular to my sketch, and here I will create a line. And how you can see, here is just a line at 30 degrees from the bottom part. So just create an axis. So from center to this point, yes, and from here just create a line at 30 degrees like this, and just put the angle value 30 degrees. That's it. Yes, so here we are. Okay, exit from sketch, and on bottom surface Sorry, the sketch should be on this surface, I think. Okay, and now create a sketch on this surface, rotate, and here create the second one. Here will be an axis again from here to here. Okay, and just create that profile. So there will be a parallelogram. So I take it from here to here and go there. Yes, and this parallelogram have edge 1 millimeters, 1, 20 from here to here, 20, 30 degrees from this to this, and now we should align it, and it's in middle of this ring. Yes, so if here we had 70 and here 90, here should be 80. So this middle should be at 80 millimeters. How I will do that? I will just create a middle line. Okay, let's move this rectangle. Let's make this plane invisible. So I will just hide the plane. Okay, I hide the plane and just create a line that will connect the middle point of this line with middle point of that line. Okay, and make this for construction. And middle of this line I just make to be coincident with this, and here should be 80 millimeters from this point. I can put a point here at intersection in order to help me to take it. Yes, that was work easier. And here will be half of my diameter, 80, so this will be 40. Good. Exit from this and just make a sweep cut. Yes, take sweep cut and say I want to cut this, but not normally, but at this angle, you see? And now I obtain a cut under edge. Yes, but this is too long, and how you can see, it will cut my part at all, and I don't want this. This means that I should change first sketch, this one. Yes, so we change this sketch, look perpendicular to it. Why we change the sketch? Because I don't want to come until here. So this line will be, yes, I delete it, and this line should come from here to here to be 30 degrees. Yes, and here should remain 2 millimeters because this is my bottom surface. In this case, look, it's look great. Yes, so here remain the part. Okay, good. So it's look nice. I like how it's look. And let's say 50 slots at 360 degrees. So I take circular pattern, say around this circle, around this circle. Yes, 50 slots of what? Of this. And this is the effect. Validate and obtain 50 slots around. Look, and this is how my part looks now. Yes, so here can be putted 50 business cards. Good. Let's make this part. So here I have a circle with diameter 25 millimeters and a rib with 6 millimeters. Yes, and ribs with 6 millimeters, and we extruded too. So just create another sketch on this surface, or look at it, make a circle with 25 millimeters, extrude this with 2 millimeters. Yes, so I make it simple in opposite direction, Yes. Create another sketch on same surface and make this edges this three and say just this. Look, middle of this with middle of this to be coincident, and just say 6 millimeter here, and how many millimeters we want here, 40, let's say. Yes, that's enough. Good. Go to feature, take extrude, show this edge, change the direction, validate, obtain one of these. Yes, and it's just on this surface, you can see. Yes, and just make another circular pattern here for this one. Around this circle, delete this and just select. No, I don't select the correct one. This is, but I want just 4 of them. Yes, yes, and that's the effect. This is what I obtain for now. And here we will make this circle with 2 lines at 6 and 16, 12, diameter 12. So here we create a shape on this surface, so look perpendicular to it. And here I have a circle with diameter 12, yes, and a rectangle like this. And there are the dimension 12 for this one, 6 for this one, and 16 for this one. And just trim. Be carefully, don't trim the axis. If you trim axis, the constraints will be lost. So you should after that make the constraints again. So just be carefully, don't cut the axis. I will show you what happens if you cut axis. You see? So your elements become blue, and this means you are underdefined. So just be carefully, don't cut the axis. Okay. And just extrude cut this profile and validate. That's it. Good. After we obtain this, we save this with a name. Yes, in my case, I will say it 1 and save this part. Close and open second part to create the base of this. Okay, take a sketch, choose a plane, and let's see how the sketch look like. 50 and extrude with 5 millimeters. Yes, so here is a circle with 50 millimeters diameter, 50, and exit from sketch, rotate, go to feature, extrude it with 5 millimeters. So here it's 5 millimeters. So obtain this disc. Good. After that, make a circle of 15 and extrude with 10. Sketch on this surface, 15. So you can work on this, just don't go perpendicular, but if you are sure what you do there. And in my case, because it was just a circle, I was sure what I do. Good. After that, 10 and extrude with 3. So in this case, I also don't rotate because this is just a circle and I'm not sure if I am on origin. So be sure that you take this coincident and the coincident sign appear there. Yes. 10. Exit and extrude it with 3 millimeters. Yes. Good. 3. And after that, make same profile like before, but with 1 millimeter smaller. Yes, 11, 15, and 5. Okay, so create a sketch. Now I will look perpendicular to it. Yes, because here will be few elements and I don't want to make a mistake. And it's same. And now the circle is 11 millimeters. This is 15 millimeters. And this is 5 millimeters, and just trim inside of it. Yes, trim, and I want to trim this circle, this part of circle, this part, and here also I want to trim this part. Exit from sketch, rotate, and extrude this part with 3 millimeters. So go to feature, take extrude, show this, and say 3 millimeters, validate. and obtain this. Good. And just add an element like some customize. Yes, so just take on middle plane, look perpendicular. I can rotate in order to see on this edge. Yes, good. So I can create here an axis, yes, to put my text on it. So take text, and let's say in this case not be an M, it will be an T. Yes, and it will be at middle, and it will be, in my case, Arial, and it will be a bold Arial with 5 millimeters. This is my T from Tech Hub. Yes, and just extrude feature, show the axis, no, create again, just show the axis and say extrude here, not blind middle plane to be at middle, and not 3 millimeters, it will be enough 2 millimeters. So I obtain an T there. Yes, good. Save this with number 2, close it, start a new assembly, and here just bring these 2 components. 1, 2. Make assembly, rotate second component, rotate it. Yes, now just make assembly. What I want that this hole with this to be concentric. Yes, now they are concentric. Like after that I want to, and you can see that here one profile will go through another, you see? Yes, and it will stop on this surface. So I say that this surface with this surface should be on contact, and this now can be rotated around. Look, and if I make this fix and make this float, I can rotate it. Look, and you put the cards there and just rotate them like this. And now, okay, of course we can add to make this, let's say, blue. Yes, and second one make red, for example. Yes, and after that obtain the realistic pictures by rendering this design. So this is our business card holder. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you to the next one. Bye.